Hi, so I am making this video because I wish I had this information before. I always thought ceramics was very expensive hobby because of the prices of the kilns and lack of knowledge of the things I needed to get started. Depending on certain items you may already have, you can get started and only spend around $150 to $200. So I will list everything you need, then I will go into details for each one, showing you where I got mines. So first you need a 900 or 1000-watt microwave. I got mine from the app called OfferUp. I got it secondhand. It was it was in great condition. Hamilton, white. It was listed for $35, but I got it for $30. So this is the app. You can also get on it on your computer or on your phone. Download it as an app, or you can just get on Facebook, Marketplace, or go to thrift shops, Goodwill, Savers, unless you already have one. But the thing with this is you shouldn't use the same microwave you cook in for ceramics. It's I was told the chemicals are bad, and another thing, you can't do this inside your home. That's the other thing. You have to do it in the yard, porch, garage, but just the chemicals, the smell it releases is horrible. I didn't know, I did it in the house for like 3 minutes and I just turned it off right away. And my friend who helped me with all this told me that I cannot do it in the house. It's not good. So that's another thing. So second, you need a microwave kiln. And yes, that's a thing that I didn't know about, which the reason why I started doing pottery. I do miniature pottery because I do miniatures. I make miniatures. I love miniatures. So a microwave kiln you can get on Amazon. Where is that? Let's just do it here. Okay, do microwave kiln. So they come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. I got a small one. From the videos I watched before, it said start with the small size, but my friend told me that I could have gotten a medium one, probably would have been better, she said, but it's okay if you get a small one too. So what I paid for mine on Amazon, I clicked on this, and on the bottom here there was a used one available, but it wasn't used. I guess the box was just damaged, and I was able to get mine brand new for $12. And it also came with the kiln paper. You definitely need that one too. It comes with a package of a few kiln papers. If yours doesn't come with that, you can purchase it separately. There's one here, but you should get it for your size, for your microwave kiln size, and usually like round is better, I think. I got mine from AliExpress for really cheap. I ordered extra just in case. So, and if you want to skip this part, the microwave kiln and all that, you can also search for firing services near you. I'm not sure about their fees, how much they charge. It might cost a lot. Like, I feel like I kind of remember seeing like somewhere like $50 or something for like a whole, I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't want to like give false information. You can maybe search for it if you don't want to do the microwave kiln. But in the long run, as a beginner, I think it's just going to be cheaper if you just get a microwave, use microwave and microwave kiln. So if you need to do this outside, you might also need to get extension cord for your microwave, but for heavy duty. You can find them on Amazon or Walmart, Harbor Freight Tools. Okay. So this is my microwave kiln. Small size. I'm able to fit a few pieces here at a time. Depends on how big you make. And then today I got welding gloves from Harbor Freight Tools. Okay, so clayking.com. This is where I got everything. My clay, my glazes, and some of my tools. Let me show you. So on this page you go to clay, and for the microwave kiln you need earthenware. Earthenware means low fire. So you need a smooth, low fire clay body, no grog. They have a 4-pound sample for $13, but I got the 25 pounds clay for $39. There are different websites, for example, Bailey Pottery, Sheffield, and of course there's more. But when I tried to tried all three of them, Clay King ended up being the least expensive in shipping, so I went with Clay King. Okay, so the clay, if you want to get this color, of course you can, but you have to get the smooth one and low fire. And for glazes, you click on glazes. There are different brands of glazes. My friend recommended Mako, and so you look at the low fire glazes. You don't get the high fire or anything else. Stroking coat is the best one so far, I think. I got a lot of these. I went crazy and spent like, I mean, the 2-ounce bottles are enough to get started, more than enough, especially for miniatures. I got a bunch of these. I'll show you. They have amazing colors. This color is out on this one, but there's also speckled ones. Speckled Mako's speckled stroking coat. So you click on that, there's this kind. So I ordered 8-ounce bottle for this color because I love pink. You can also get different brands. I got some Dunkin', if I'm not wrong. Yes, I did. I got some Crackled. I got some, if you get, I believe, under glazes, you need to get clear glaze also. Let me see. Let me show you the clear glaze I got. I went with Mako with this one as well. Let me see. Yes, I went with this one for $3. No, $2.25. I got some more glazes coming on the way, but let me show you the ones I got so far. Yeah, they come in these bottles, the 2-ounce bottles. This one is that 8-ounce bottle for like $7. The pink one, the one I told you about, the speckled one. And this one, crystal clear brushing, non-toxic clear brushing glaze, food safe, Mako. This is the clear glaze I ended up getting. And I also got some Mako Elements Sea Spray Okay, so you need a pottery wheel, of course. I'll show you the one I got. Am I happy with it? For beginners, I think and if you want to make something in miniature size, it's good for a beginner.
I want two bathrooms.
Let me put mini in there. Mini. This is the one I got for $35. There are cheaper ones, of course. There's a coupon here. If you click on this at the checkout, it'll give you 5% off.
Mommy, and don't forget
You can also get this one or this one. There's this one too for $26. Yeah, you can just pick whichever you like, whichever you think. You can check the reviews. But for beginners, I think these ones are really nice. They do, when you put some pressure on it, they do kind of like tend to slow down or stop sometimes, but when you add some more water, it does the job. And for the price, you can't really beat it.
Does this take?
So I wanted to add, if you didn't want to deal with all this, and if you wanted to take a shortcut, you can always get air dry clay and a pottery wheel and just do it like that. You don't have to get glazes. You can, I don't know about that part, if you can use any like maybe non-fire glaze on top of air dry clay or not. You can do your research. I didn't try that. I used to paint my air dry clay pieces that I hand built with acrylic paint, so it's just a choice, and I mean it's doable, definitely doable. People do it. They sell these for kids and they come with air dry clay, so why not? You might need a it's optional, I didn't get one, but you might need an apron, but the one for like pottery wheels, so you can, when you open your legs, the aprons that are for this comes with you know, it's divided for the way the ceramic like potters sit, so it covers each side of pants. Okay, the other thing I got is kiln post from Clay King. This is also, I think, optional, and I just ordered it. It didn't come yet, and I tried it with the microwave glass plate first, and I've seen videos people doing it that way, and some people use these, some people don't. The one I got is 4 of this one for my small size microwave kiln. On Clay King also there's the section for tools. I got some tools from Amazon, I'll show you, but for miniature I think I could have got the smaller set, and that would have been better because I can't use all of them, at least not yet. I'll show you the one I got. Okay, this one is perfect. I just got this for carving. This one just came today, didn't try it yet, but it was $6.99 right here, $6.99, and it's great, perfect for miniature. And this one, I got this one before. This one was $25.99, which is a little bit too much. I mean, it's cheap for all these, but I don't really need all of these tools, so I didn't know what I was doing, and I got this. It's okay, I'll use them one day, all of them. Some of these tools in here, of course, very necessary. For example, this metal one is really useful when you need to remove the piece from the wheel. The sponge is useful. The wire you can also use to remove your piece or get clay from your big block. Also, the one tool that I have that came in really handy is my heat gun. I use that heat gun all the time. I actually got it for what did I get it for? Like resin before, and I think something else too. I was going to use it for. I never did, and I ended up using it for this, and I think you have to have it. I got my heat gun from Joanne before, Joanne Fabrics, and I had like a 50% off or 40% off coupon. I got, okay, this is different. This one is on sale, but mine is pink. I'll show you. This is it. It's American Crafts brand, Zap. It's pink, and it ended up being like $10 or something like that, less maybe. And this is the tools I received today, and these are the tools I've been using. Also, these sponge tools for, like, you know, painting. I got these. I use them. They're useful for this too. This coffee table in the living room, I ended up invading it horribly. So I can like sit with my daughter at the same time and do what I love to do. And I got this light for $1 from Dollar Tree. When we need to turn the lights off, I just use this. It would be better if I had something stronger, which I do. I'm just lazy to get it. I ordered one more tool. I'll show you. Well, first, I also got these carving tools from Harbor Freight Tools today. I wanted to try how they work, see how they work. Okay. See how my pottery wheel, it comes with this thing on the bottom that attaches to the table, but sometimes it comes off. It's not like permanent. It's like something like a silicone sticky something. I don't know. So I hope this video helps you get started if you ever wanted to do pottery and you couldn't because of the reasons same reasons I had. So look at the price difference on some things. Like, it might not be the same exact set, but you can definitely find some things different places, like Harbor Freight Tools, cheaper. I paid $6.99 for something like this that I showed you, and it's $24.95 sale price. It's out of stock right now, but got some very interesting tools and just crazy. I was kind of interested in this one. That's like $29.95. This tool section, you should definitely check it out because they have some like inexpensive tools that you might like to use and play around, figure out. You know, I was also looking at these. For one of them, they're like $4.95. They're really nice tutorials on YouTube. They show you how to use these tools. Yes, I ordered this one for $2.75 for two of them. I was also looking at this one. There's something specific I'm trying to make. I couldn't figure out yet how to perfectly make it, but hopefully the tools I got today will help me make it better. Okay, I think that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, you can always ask. This is like my it's been only like a week or so, I think, since I started doing pottery, and these are the pieces that I made so far. I'm definitely very new at it. That's why I wanted to help you guys get started. If I knew it was going to be this easy, I would have done it a long time ago. These are the ones I made last night. They're still like drying, but I first dried them with the heat gun, and then before you do your kiln, they recommend to put them in a regular oven for like a half hour at 200 Fahrenheit, my friend told me, but I have to look it up to make sure so they don't break. So one of my pieces broke because it wasn't dry. It wasn't dry all the way, I believe, and I realized I didn't do this this part, so I just started doing this part now, and then I'm gonna try it afterwards. Okay, now that's it. Thank you for watching.